Glocks. Again, just a quick quick modification that my little bro made to the Glock 23. You guys could see right there, it's white. It's very simple. All you have to do is get a crayon and color that part, clean up anything else that is you know, anything else around that. But very simple. I think it's pretty cool for the magazines. If you got, like me, I got a couple of Glocks, and you may get confused with the mags. So I think it was pretty cool. So anyways, I just wanted to show it to you guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, and subscribe. God is in control.